Want to send Robux to your friend or a player in Roblox? Here are 2 legit ways to do it step by step. Like and subscribe if this helps. Method 1. Through a group. If your Robux is in a group, do this. Open Robux and tap the menu button. Go to Communities, then pick your group. Tap the 3 dots in the top right. Then select Configure Community. On the left, tap Revenue, then go to Payouts. Click One-Time Payout, then add Payout Recipient. Search for the user. They must be in the group for at least 2 weeks. Enter the Robux amount. Tap Next and confirm. Done. The Robux is sent. Method 2. Through Gamepass. No group needed. The person receiving Robux must go to Create, Roblox.com, click Creations, choose their experience or create one, scroll down to Monetization, then click Passes. Tap Create a Pass, add a name, image optional, and click Create. Tap on the pass again, enable item for sale and set a price. Tap Save Changes, then open the pass in a new tab and copy the URL. The person giving Robux then passes the link into their browser, buys the pass. The Robux will go to the recipient after the sale is processed. And that's it. 2 easy ways to send Robux in 2025. Like and subscribe for more Roblox guides made simple.